Hi Blazers, welcome to this video tutorial. There has been a new update for Samsung and Android, so thought why not, we'll do another update video. Now this update looks like it's just another security update. It came at the end of May. I'm just doing it at the beginning of June, so I thought I'd get it in, and so this is your end of May, beginning of June sort of update to your Android phone. So same rules apply, but let's go through it and see what the differences are. So we go down and click on, remember there's many ways you can click on the cog, or you can click on update, so we're going to do that. We're going to click on update. You get your normal screen. Now you can click on the document link and look at the details, but as you can see, it tells you this software update includes but is not limited to device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. Now this is all well and dandy, but remember they're going to stop doing that. There are a list of devices that they're going to stop giving software updates or operating system updates, but security updates will still be going on. And I'll find a link to that article and put it into the video description, and you can see if your device is on that list. I normally use that as a gauge to when to update my phone. I think that's the best gauge to let you know when it's time for you to say bye-bye to your current device and hello to a new device. Anyway, let's get this thing started and click on download. Away we go. Now this download is still on the One UI version 5.1, and then the size of the download is 224 megabytes, give or take, so you could say 225 megabytes, and the security patch level is beginning of May, so go figure what's happened there. But yeah, we've just downloaded that. So then we'll just click on install now. And this is where the fun part starts. Alright, we're back after the update. Now let's just see, how did this update go? We can go to software update. You can see the last update was installed on 1st of June this year. Let's do a check. I always like to check, make sure we're all up to date. And there you are. You're all up to date, and that's how it's done. Yeah, if you have any questions, by all means drop us an email or a comment below the video. Our email is info@ampleblaze.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And sorry for the horn, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.